Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WooCommerce Admin, manage WordPress store orders step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Type in your website's URL followed by /wp-admin. Press the Enter key to access the WordPress login page. Enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Click on the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. Look for the WooCommerce option in the left sidebar. Hover over the WooCommerce option to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Orders from the drop-down menu. You will now see a list of all your store orders. To view details of a specific order, click on the order number. Here, you can manage order status, update customer information, and add notes. To change the status of an order, select the desired status from the drop-down. After making your changes, click on the Update button to save. To add a new order, click on the Add Order button at the top of the page. Fill in the necessary details, including customer info and products. Once completed, click on Publish to create the new order. That's how you can easily manage your orders in WooCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.